Let's take a quick tour of some of the security features the Gravitee Kafka Gateway provides. We'll select the Kafka Gateway. Let's quickly create a new currency API that will front a Kafka topic. We specify the location of our Kafka broker, in this case Confluent. Now, very importantly, we can now configure the authentication options from our gateway to the upstream event broker. In this case, I will use SASL SSL plain with a plain username and password. Then we define the host, that is, where the Gravitee Gateway is running. Then I can optionally define a plan. Think of a plan as the contract between the client and the API itself. Here, I'll choose an OAuth plan, which maps to an OAuth bearer in the Kafka authentication protocol. You can create as many plans as you want with different restrictions or capabilities, such as a gold plan and a silver plan, but for this demo, I will just use one core plan. Next, we can review the application architecture that we've just set up. So the client will connect to the gateway via OAuth 2. The gateway forwards it to the Kafka broker using the SASL SSL plane. This is how we can mediate between multiple authentication protocols and allow clients to authenticate with different authentication mechanisms as well. Now let's add an access control policy. Here we specify that under this plan, you're allowed to run a topic read command on any topic prefixed with orders. Let's click Save and we can see the policies currently being applied. Finally, you should know that with the Gravitee Gateway, you can also mediate protocols. If you want to securely expose Kafka to a wider audience, you can provide entry points such as REST, SSE, or WebSockets, and Gravitee will mediate that protocol to the backend Kafka resource. That concludes our quick demonstration of just some of the security features in the Gravitee Kafka Gateway. Please visit gravitee.io to learn more.